Chilliwack at my latest listing. This 3-level split home is a 4-bed, 3-bath. It's been extensively renovated throughout, including new kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, and paint. On top of all that, it sits on a 7,700 square foot subdividable lot that you're not going to want to miss out on. Let's go inside and take a look. I hope you enjoyed today's property tour. For more information, reach out to us at info@hardyteam.ca. We look forward to connecting with you.